Hi, good morning, everyone. Erika, I have picked the flow scenario for my project. So, revolutionizing requests through Power Automate. So, just seeing Power Automate in action, just an outline of the project itself, brief introduction, problem statement, solution overview demo, and the summary. For our introduction, just talking about Contoso being a retail store in Minneapolis. It has two stores. The employees at Contoso need a friendly user interface system to submit time off requests, and also that is something useful for the managers to keep track of the employees that have submitted the requests. We will be using Power Automate to be able to create this solution. So again, just ensuring a seamless time off submission process for fostering a culture of excellence for Contoso, which is important for not only the employees, but also their customers. So we'll go into the demo here. So we will start off with our SharePoint list. Here is the website that the employees can go to and submit the request so they can do a new submission, select the date. So we'll do from this date, specific times. We can do 9 a.m. So like if you're working from a 9 to 5, you specify the times that you are working so that they know that it's not a half day or if it's a full day. The manager will be able to know if you will be in the office for the whole day. So we submit the request and we pick the type of leave that we are requesting. So submit it. We will use one of the examples we have submitted here earlier. So as you can see from the manager view, they will be able to see also the person that requested it, the times, the specific type. And so in here is pending approval. This is one of the ones that has been already approved. So if we go into the flow, which is what will trigger that information there, when an item is created on the SharePoint list, it follows an approval or deny request form for which this sends an email to the manager to make sure that they receive it and approve it or deny it. Now, from that point on, the outcome of that decision will determine how the flow goes. So if the outcome is yes, the manager will go ahead and submit the notes from that approval. An event will be created. The item will be updated in the list for the SharePoint, and the event will be created in the calendar so that people in the company know that the person is out of the office. If no, the person will receive an email saying that their request was denied, and so that they won't be able to get the time off. And if I go back to the SharePoint, we can see in here for one of the ones that have been approved, this one here is the type of the approve, the person that is being approved, and the notes from the manager. And since I have put myself in the shoes of both the manager and the person requesting the time off, as you can see here in the calendar week that we have picked the time off, you can see the time off that was approved by the person. So the manager can see this person will not be in the office. So if there's any meetings going on, they know not to schedule that person with them. So just a brief overview of the presentation, just again, using time SharePoint to submit the forms for employees, Power Automate just helping us trigger that information and just following the steps with the help of the email as well as the calendar to just make sure we can keep track of who is in the office and who is not. And then for slideshow, so I just got the email just now. So summary, just requesting can be, time off can be more efficient. It could be a seamless platform usability, not just for requests, but a specific types of requests, whether that is requesting maybe materials and things like that. So it be customized. So there are different ways that this can be improved and individualized depending on the needs of the business. So we can make the choices depending on the things that the business is asking us. So I just want to thank everyone for paying attention to me and just everyone in TechFluent for allowing me to showcase what I learned.